Hey, what's going on? It's your man Brandon Carter, and we're about to get in this quick 10-minute fat burning abdominal workout. Help you get a six-pack, help you get lean. It's only 10 minutes. We got Mariel, she's gonna be doing the more difficult versions. Shannon's gonna be doing the easier modifications, and I'm gonna be doing some of the beast mode versions. Keep up with whoever you want to keep up with, depending on your skill level and ability. All right, let's get into it. All right, so the first exercise is called bicycles. I'm gonna do this like this, and you put your knee to your elbow. We're gonna start. 2, go. All right, go. Bicycles. Bam. Bicycles. All right. So then you want to try to get your knees as close to your elbows as possible. Here's the thing. It's about the harder you go, the faster you go during these seconds, the more difficult it's gonna be. So if this is too easy, then just go faster. All right. Stop. Rest. Take a quick 20-second rest. Next exercise is called gorilla jumps. All right. So you're gonna get kind of in the plank position and then go from side to side. Like if you don't have a mat, just pretend you have a mat because you're gonna go mat distance. All right, ready? Ready? We doing go.
Let's
go. Gorilla jumps. Bam. Hey. Yeah, they're going gorillas. What does that mean? No one knows what that means. It's provocative. Get some people going. All right. Don't stop. All right, now stop. Now this next exercise is called the dying roach. We're gonna go like this. Put your hips up to the side, then your shoulders up to the side. Hips up to the side, shoulders, and you're gonna kind of like go around. And then when you come back in circle, then you switch sides, switch directions. All right, go! You guys are the most beautiful roaches I've ever seen. Yeah. Now this looks ridiculous. All right, insane. But it's a difficult exercise, man. It really works the lower abs, upper abs, and the side abs. So obliques. All right, stop. All right, cool. Next exercise, we're gonna do squats. Mario's gonna do jump squats. She's gonna come in squat position, come up, do a little hop, hop. All right. Shannon's gonna do regular squats, go down and up. Keep up with whoever you want to keep up with. All right, with some more intense version, it's gonna be the easier version. This is gonna get your heart rate up, you burn off the fat off the mat. All right, go! Bam! Oh, look at, she's going for it. All right, go for it. Good job, good job, good job, good job. Get up! Oh, she's crushing it right now. Both of these ladies. I'm proud of you. The people are proud of you. All right, stop! Next exercise is flutter kicks. All right, so you might want to put your hands underneath that butt, right? And then you just like do a little flutter. Do a little flutter. All right, we're gonna start that in 3, 2, 1, go! All right, little flutter kicks. Now you see Mary's going top speed, Shannon, she's pacing herself. Keep up with whoever you want to keep up with. You know what I'm saying? And if this is too easy, go faster. It's up to you, man. It's you. You know what I'm saying? All right. So we got 5, 4, 3. You're doing great. 2, 1. Stop it. All right. Next exercise is going to be everyone's favorite, burpees. All right. So you're going to go down. If you can do it, push up and then jump. Right. And if you can't do the push up, you're just going to push up position and then come up and jump. You're going to do lady push-ups. Right? Oh, yeah. You're on your knees. All right, so go ahead. So bam. We see Mariel's going to begin into a lady push-up. No, then you got to get up and jump, man.
Oh, come on.
Yeah, come up and jump. You see what Shannon's doing? What are you? All right, don't follow her. All right. Yeah, okay, just ignore what's happening over here. Alright, that was a glitch in the matrix. Don't worry about it. Next exercise is called I Am a Butterfly. This was invented by my cousin, Chicago G, when he was in Cook County Prison. Alright, so you go over here, and you go over here, bam. You come up, and then, now Shannon's gonna do the easy version. Alright, check this out. She's gonna keep her feet down, but Mary's gonna extend her legs and bring them out. Good, good, good. Awesome, 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 awesome. This is easier. Hey, It's all good. Just do the best you can. See, that's the thing. It's all about progress. All right, quick. Stop. Next exercise is mountain climbers. So you're gonna get like a plank position, or kind of like push-up position, I'm sorry. And then you're just gonna mountain climbers, but Mario's gonna do a more difficult.
Doubles.
Yeah, she's gonna do doubles. All right, it's gonna take it to another level. All right, you guys are doing great. We're almost halfway done. Go! All right, so Mario's doing the more difficult versions where she's doing like these doubles and she's going from side to side to engage the obliques a little bit more. Shannon, it's just like doing regular mountain climbers. Both are great. Keep up with whoever you want to keep up with, depending on your skill level and ability. All right. Stop! All right. Congratulations, you completed round 1. All right, you halfway there. Now round 2, we're gonna do what's called an active rest. All right, so in between the exercise, instead of just resting like we've been doing, you're gonna hold a plank position. All right, this is gonna be it's active rest. So we're gonna start with bicycles. Let's go. Bam, 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 bam. Good. Good, good, good. Nice. Nice. Yeah, they're not just pretty girls, they're also in shape. Alright. Now they're going to get in the plank position. You just hold that plank. Respect the plank. Alright? Show the plank some respect. Just hold it. You see that the butt's not in here and their abs aren't low. It should be like a little plate. Like I can eat, like a little table. I should be able to eat Thanksgiving dinner off the back. All right, gorilla jumps. Go right in the bed. Gorilla jumps. Yeah, go on gorillas. Yeah, good, adjust that. It is not that type of video, ladies. You're gonna keep your teeth off YouTube. Plank position. How about you keep your shirt on for 10 minutes? We're gonna go right from this into everyone's favorite, Diane Roach. Go, Diane Roach. All right, that was a slow transition, Mary. Nice. This is what is amazing exercise. You're feeling a little bit, right? All right, get in the plank position. Respect the plank. And just hold that. Your whole life led up to this moment. Right? Just think about it. Just hold it. Two, go right into squats. Let's go. Mario's gonna do the jump squats.
That's me.
Yeah. Nice. Awesome. Ladies, keep your shirts on. You're not gonna get me kicked off of YouTube or Instagram or Facebook, wherever you're watching this. All right, get in the plank position. You hold the plank. This is the active rest. Just think about it. Just hold it. Just stay right there. Your whole future depends on this, man. You don't have to. If you half-ass this, you half-ass the rest of life. All right, flutter kicks. Flutter kicks. Get them legs fluttered. Hands underneath the booty. Start fluttering. No.
Justin, my guy.
Oh, my fault. Nice. And right now, we're going to hold the plank position. Get into it. Good. Doing great, ladies. Hey, and you're doing great at home as well. You're doing great. Shannon, you're shedding.
I am?
Yeah, just a little bit. All right, burpees. Let's go. Nice. Awesome. This is great. Yeah, ladies are doing a great job. You're doing a good job at home. All right, plank position. You're right there. Awesome. You run into it. Yeah. Looks like she's been doing the workouts. All right, 4, 3, 2, 1. Iron butterflies. Hey. Hey. Nice. Nice.
I don't have space with you.
Respect the point. Just hold it. Hold it. Respect it. Love it. Feel the pain and love it. Embrace it.
Okay.
Life is pain. Alright? You gotta be able to take the pain.
Mountain climbers. Oh my God, we're right here. How convenient. How convenient. You're doing great, ladies. Let's finish strong. 10 more seconds of victory. And we're done. Congratulations. Congratulations, yo. Great job, man. Great job, Muriel. Great job to you at home. You can do all the ab exercises you want, but diet's the most important thing. So if you want to know the diet that I do, I have a free ebook you can download called Keto Cheat Codes. Download it 100% for free. Just click the link somewhere around here in the description or whatever. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is King Keto.
I am Chocolata.
I am Chocolate and
And Shannon_Mel.
alright, cool. I post new workouts every day. So make sure you subscribe, turn on notifications. Get a new workout with us every day, man. Take it to the next level. Alright guys, peace.